Let's review several ways to present a data graphically. A stem and leaf plot is a graphical way to represent quantitative data. To construct a stem and leaf plot, identify the minimum and the maximum values. The stem represents the first part of the value, while the leaf represents the other part of the value. For example, a value 32, the stem is 3 and the leaf is 2. Starting with the stem and leaf of the minimum value down to the maximum value, the visual representation of the data is called a stem and leaf plot. A box and whisker plot, also sometimes called a box plot, is a graphical method used in statistics to depict the 5-number summary of a dataset. It provides a clear and informative way to visualize the spread and key features of the data's distribution. To construct a box and whisker plot, identify the 5-number summary. The minimum value, which is the lowest value in the dataset. The maximum value, which is the highest value. The median is the middle value when the dataset is arranged in ascending or descending order. Quartile 1 is the middle value between the median and the minimum. Quartile 3 is the middle value between the median and the maximum value. This is a box and whisker plot. A histogram is a graphical representation of the distribution of quantitative data. It uses bars to depict how many data points fall within specific ranges, called bins or intervals. In this example, the horizontal axis represents the bins or intervals of the scores, while the vertical axis represents the frequency or the number of scores. In this dataset, there are 5 scores that are between 50 to 59. A pie chart is a circular graph used to represent portions of a whole. It's ideal for visualizing categorical data, where the data is divided into distinct non-overlapping categories. This pie chart is based on the dataset with 20 points added to each value. The numbers in the pie chart are the number of scores converted to letter grades. It is helpful if the chart is color-coded and accompanied with a legend. Feel free to compare your observations with your classmates.